Assembly will hear an address by His Excellency Jair Messias Bolsonaro, President of the Federative Republic of Brazil.
According to a statement from the Brazilian government, Queiroga will remain in New York in quarantine, adding that he was doing well. Now, Jair Bolsonaro, a vaccine skeptic, defied UN rules that asked all those attending the assembly to be vaccinated. He has bragged about not getting vaccinated. In his speech to world leaders at a meeting where the global coronavirus pandemic was top of the agenda, Bolsonaro said his government did not support the use of a vaccine passport and stood by the treatment of the virus with unproven drugs such as the anti-malarial hydroxychloroquine. He said Brazil's vaccination campaign against COVID-19 had been successful and that all adults who wanted a vaccine would be fully inoculated by November. Now, the health minister was the second member of the Brazilian delegation in New York to have tested positive. A young diplomat who was part of an advanced team tested positive on the weekend and was isolated. Now, COVID-19 has killed almost 500,000 Brazilians in the world's second deadliest outbreak after the United States. As vaccination advances in the country, the rolling 14-day average of COVID deaths has fallen to 519 a day, compared with almost 3,000 at the peak of the pandemic in April. On a trip to the United States to meet former US President Donald Trump last year, 22 members of Bolsonaro's delegation caught the virus in the worst case of transmission in a government that ignored precautions. Now, Bolsonaro, who regarded Trump as a political role model, has opposed lockdowns to prevent the spread of the virus and almost never uses a mask.